What if I told you there's a portable fan that could power through a summer heat wave, light up your RV, charge your phone, and run for days without being plugged in? Today I'm going to show you something that's made a big difference in my full-time RV life. The Ogery F11 camping fan. I've tested a lot of 12-volt fans on the road, but this one in a class of its own. I personally like a fan blowing straight on me when I'm sleeping. It's not optional, it's essential, especially in the summertime. And when you're boondocking like I do, you need gear that works without shore power. This fan earns its spot. I've already unboxed it, but it comes very, very well packed. It has instructions and a remote control, but I'll get into that in a second. First out of the box, as I said, there's an instruction manual. Definitely skim that. You'll also get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is a nice touch. Then, of course, the fan itself. You unwrap it, peel it off, and you're ready to go. Bonus, there's a remote control tucked in there. I didn't expect that, but it's a great surprise. And it has a battery in it already. I plugged it into my charger right away. It supports an 18-watt fast charging, which means it can go from empty to full in about 4.5 hours. While it's charging, LED lights show you the battery level. Mine showed me about 50% right out of the box. And yes, it has pass-through charging. That means you can plug it in and still use it while it charges. Not all devices allow that, but this one does. And it's a huge win when you're managing limited power off-grid. Now let's talk about performance. You turn the knob right here to turn it on, and it starts at 25%. Dial it up to 50, 75, or blast it at 100%. I prefer the physical knob over the push buttons because it's smoother and easier to adjust, especially in the dark. At full speed, it moves the air around about 5 to 3 meters per second, or about 12 miles per hour. Even on high, it's quiet. Falling leaves are about 15 decibels. Normal conversation is about 30. This fan hums along about 23. It's just enough to feel the airflow without getting noisy. The battery is serious business, 20,000 milliamp hours. That gives you a lot of flexibility depending on your fan speed. On low, it could run about 60 hours. On medium, about 45.
On high, you'll get 11 to 12 hours, which is plenty for overnight cooling.
The fan head tilts up to 270 degrees, and I've used it to angle up on a counter or a shelf or while I'm in bed, or I'm working at my RV table. And when you press the oscillation button right over here, it sweeps from side to side at 30, 60, 90, or 120 degrees. If you're trying to cool down your entire RV space, this is perfect. There's a USB port built in too, right here. You can use the fan's internal battery to charge your phone or another small device, even when the fan's running. It doubles as backup power, which is especially handy if you're off-grid. Worried about draining the battery overnight? There's a built-in timer. Tap the button to shut it off after 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. That's one of the easiest ways to make sure you're not wasting power while you sleep. Now, for lighting, it has 3 brightness settings. While it's daytime, I can't really show you. And on low power mode, the light can run for about 138 hours. That's almost 6 days of continuous use. Medium gets you about 85 hours. High gets you about 36 hours. Personally, I don't use the light every day, but when I need it, I'm glad it's there. And here's something I love, the sleep mode. It shuts off all display lights on the fan so you can sleep in total darkness, but still keep the airflow going. No blinking, no lights, no glowing buttons, just quiet air. And as you can see, it's on, and I'm standing right next to it with the microphone right here. You barely hear it. And last, but definitely not least, the remote control. You don't have to roll out of bed or crawl across the rig to adjust anything. Just aim and press. You can control fan speed, oscillation, lights, and timer all from your bed, chair, or picnic table outside. This thing is a win across the board. It's powerful, compact, quiet, and lasts. So whether I'm boondocking in the desert or parked in a warm spot without hookups, I know I can count on this fan to keep me comfortable. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link below. There's even a coupon code for 10% off if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for hanging out. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video.